Asda Mobile versus Smarty 2025. Which one should you switch to? Choosing the right mobile network can save you money and improve your coverage, but in 2025, should you go with Asda Mobile or Smarty? Let's break it down. Asda Mobile operates on the Vodafone network, offering wide coverage and competitive pay-as-you-go or monthly plans. Most people get this wrong. They think discount networks compromise speed, but Asda Mobile delivers solid and expanding access at affordable rates. You won't believe what happens next. Asda Mobile also includes cashback rewards and data rollover on certain plans, which adds real value. Smarty uses the 3 network and focuses on flexibility. Its standout feature is unused data refunds. If you don't use all your data, you get credit back automatically. Smarty also offers simple SIM-only plans without contracts, making it ideal for people who want freedom and control. Pricing is close, but Smarty tends to be cheaper for light data users, while Asda Mobile offers better perks for families or those needing higher data allowances. Both networks support IG in many areas, but coverage quality depends on your location. Vodafone generally has more consistent reach in rural areas. So, which should you switch to? If you want predictable coverage and extra perks, Asda Mobile is strong. If you want flexibility, low cost, and unused data refunds, Smarty is smarter. The surprising truth is that switching doesn't just save money, it can improve your network reliability and give you perks you didn't even know existed. The best choice depends on your usage, location, and what you value most in a mobile provider.